Now I'm going to help you by giving you feedbacks of your homework and presentation. You use the AI how much?
I corrected some things. Just for some vocabulary, I don't know, like this one, like collabo.
You don't know the word?
I know because of English, right? But I didn't know that there is Conglish.
Oh, yeah. Collaboration.
Yeah, some words like that. I took pictures as ChatGPT. Some mistakes. Like here, I put 일을 안 해서 콜라보하고 봉사를 많이 해요. ChatGPT told me that if I put 일을 안 해서, it means that I'm not good at doing my job, something like that. So recommend put 있어서 일을 안 하고 있어서 any job these days. Right?
Yeah. 일을 안 하고 있어서. It's a present tense. It can be 3 different meanings. So it's like you are in the middle of working hours, but you are not working because maybe you are chatting with your friends or doing your phone, something like that. Another is that you have a job, but you are not working today because it's day off. Or the last one is that currently you don't have a job, so you're free. So you have to see the context to see what the real meaning is.
Yes, like I'm not working now, like that, right?
So this is right. 요즘에 일을 안 해서. What do you think is the good part of getting feedback from human being? Actually, you can take a picture of it and then show it to AI, and then AI can explain and give you feedback. I'd like to know the main reason.
I think there are some studies that says it's more, you can remember it more easily when somebody explains to you. It remains more in your brain, and also it's more natural speaking Korean.
I got it. Then I'll correct you. I'll try as many as possible. You don't feel upset?
No.
I'm kidding.
But don't be too hard. I mean, in basic intermediate.
First of all, I'm not going to give you the correct answer right away. I'll check the words or expressions which were not correct, and then I will give you a chance to try again.
Okay.
If you tell this to someone, what kind of audience will they be?
친구?
You know, Korean 존댓말 반말 is very different, right? So 친구,
But maybe 친구 that is older than me?
older than you, then it should be 존댓말?
뭐예요?
존댓말. Okay. There are 2 different ways to talk in real life. 반말 is the way you speak to people who are the same age and close or younger. And 존댓말 is to the people who are the same age but not close. I mean, like maybe first time meeting or business meeting. You don't talk to the person like you do to your friends, right? So 존댓말 is to the people who should treat more politely, and then the person is older than you. You know what I mean?
So that is like 뭐요?
뭐뭐예요, 뭐뭐입니다. So I'm asking you, before correcting your writing, I should know which of these you are using here so that I could correct properly.
I think this one is the most common one, so that's why I use this one, because it's not too much respectful or it's not unrespectful, so I think it's the medium level.
But this, I don't know. If you are still talking to the people who you should look a little more polite, maybe
so 나는 is implied. 나는 is 반말.
나는 is more like 반말. Yeah, it's safer to say 저는.
I love your style today.
Oh, thank you. I think I am almost the only person who is wearing very vivid color in Korea.
Right, oh, that's right.
Yeah. 작업을 하고 있어요. 나는 매주 콜라보 작업 제 발표를 들어줘서 감사합니다. This is very awkward. It's right, but awkward. Because
why? Because in my college, everybody say that when they finish presentation.
We do that until high school. You get it? 감사합니다 is enough.
Okay.
이렇게 제가 교정을 했거든요. 한번 고쳐보세요.
네.
All the underlines you should check and then write again.
보육원? 몰라요.
Okay. Listen to me. 보육원. 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 No. 보육원. 보육원. Yes.
보육원.
보육원. 이 거라고 쓴 거야? 여기 밑에서 써줘, 밑에.
여기?
Okay. Correct.
거춘? 꽃 많아서.
그것도 맞아요. That's easy way to correct.
꽃이 많아서.
맞아요.
보름 이렇게?
아름다워요. 저기 우선은 there are two things to be corrected. 자, 이야기. This word is wrong. 이야기.
야.
이야기. 이야기.
아, 야? 이렇게?
응.
이야기하고 싶어요.
뭐였죠? 원래 문장이 자, 우리는 유튜브 콘텐츠 만들고 있어요. 이 영상은 its subject. 영상은 한국의 봄 공원에 대한 이야기예요. A is B, right? This is A. This is B. 이야기예요. Its basic form is 이야기이다.
입감이 이야기하고 싶어요. 이 영상은 한국의 봄 공원에 대한 이야기하고 싶어요. I wanted to say like we want to talk about the Korean parks in spring in this video.
So it's about talk, right? We wanted to talk. Okay. 이 영상은 한국의 봄 공원에 대해 이야기해요. 이 영상은 한국의 봄 공원에 대해 이야기해요.
이야기해요.
It's not like this story is about. It's not that. This tells. The content tells.
Yes.
Okay. 그다음에
Okay.
여기 주어. 감사합니다. It's too childish. This too.
So I don't know.
자, listening practice.
Okay.
요즘.
Like this.
Yeah. Removing that thing.
And 있어요?
Yeah, 맞아요. That's correct.
Okay.
Then do you wanna read it?
You can give me some advice to my parents.
Yeah. I'll write it here and then I'll give you the correction sheet later. 제목.
영상과 사진 촬영. 저는 요즘에 콜라보 작업하고 있어요. 콜라보 작업은 모두에게 윈윈이 되는 계약이에요. 같이 하면 우리 일을 보여줄 수 있고 나를 알릴 수 있어요. 저는 매주 콜라보 작업해요. 사실 요즘에 일을 안 하고 있어서 콜라보하고 봉사를 많이 해요. 우리 목사님이 아이들에게 스페인어 가르치고 매달 한 번 보육원에서도 봉사 활동을 해요. 언어 교환 모임에서도 매니지가 되었어요. 지난주에 화령에 우리는 유린공원에 갔어요. 거기에 꽃이 많아서 풍경이 너무 아름다워요. 우리는 유튜브 콘텐츠 만들고 있어요. 이 영상은 한국의 봄 공원에 대해 이야기해요. 카메라 감독님은 영어 잘 못해서 소통이 힘들지만 재미있어요. 감사합니다.
To practice English speaking, for me, it was very helpful to prepare for a presentation every week. I did it for about like 4 years or more than that.
Wow.
Yeah,
Every week?
Yeah.
Cool.
I told you I attended this one called Toastmasters Club. It's for practicing delivering a speech. Any topic can be possible. So I prepared and then
So you prepare me.
So be in front of the room and then deliver speech. And I was so nervous. Yeah. There were about 20 to 40 people in one room. 30 to 60% of the people were foreigners. They all could speak in English. They were there to practice their communication skills and leadership skills. But for me, it was to practice English skill. So I wasn't good at English, but they were all good at English already. But they wanted to have a better skills.
How can you be that brave to go there?
I know. I was so worried if they didn't like me at all.
But you went there. That's a lot.
And they were very kind. Your writing was fine. I could like understand maybe 99%. But maybe pronunciation, yes, we need to practice more.
네, 맞아요.
I joined briefly as a tutor this week. If you are interested in taking private lessons with me, please check the Google form in the description. See you at the class. 왜 한국어를 배우고 싶으신가요? 어려우신가요? Are you learning Korean not just for fun, but for more important goals such as studying abroad, for topic, employment, visa, career, or for family? Then my lesson would be exactly what you need. For the past 13 years, I have taught foreign languages to professionals, researchers, CEOs preparing to expand overseas. I have learned how to help students speak with more confidence, clarity, and purpose. And even if you're a complete beginner, don't worry. I taught myself English in Korea. So I truly understand how challenging it can be to learn a foreign language, especially when you feel nervous, stuck, or unsure where to start. By the end of the trial session, I'll provide a personalized curriculum for your goals. I also specialized in pronunciation correction, sentence correction, helping you use more natural Korean expressions. In my class, you will speak a lot. I mean, really a lot. You will feel my lesson is worth your time and investment. 정말 빨리 한국어를 잘하게 해드릴게요. See you soon!